In this YouTube video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can earn even more money with the Manta airdrop than you previously could have. So even if you already are in this airdrop, make sure you watch this video until the end, because I'm going to be giving you some more tips on how you can earn even more. Now let us get right into the video. So first and foremost, what exactly is Manta? If you haven't seen my previous video, just watch it in that card up there. But if you have, Manta is essentially a layer 2 network on the Celestia blockchain network. What exactly are they doing at Manta? If you bridge Ethereum into Manta Pacific, which is their layer 2, they will give you an APR return. They will also give you stone tokens, which you can then stake, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do that. I'm also going to be showing you some more tips, so watch until the end and do subscribe to get more airdrop videos. Now, if we scroll down, we can see Blast was a huge airdrop. They still haven't released a lot of information, but it had a lot of hype and a lot of value locked into it. Now, there are reasons why Blast is much better. Again, if you want to know these reasons in detail, you watch my previous video in that card above. But essentially, as you can see over here, there is so much more yield available, and you get your stone tokens now that you can stake on Layerbank, and I'm going to show you how to do that now, compared to with Blast, where they don't give you anything and they've just locked up your ETH in a multi-sig wallet, and you don't know what's going to happen to it because those wallets are also unknown at the moment. Anyway, as you can see, there are so many more benefits. So just pause this video and look at this, compare this table, compare Manta compared to Blast, other layer 2s, and even Arbitrum, which was a huge airdrop. There are so many more benefits of Manta. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go onto this website over here, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below, newparadigm.manta.network, and then you simply sign up, connect your wallet, etc., and then bridge ETH. As you can see, I've bridged 0.225 ETH. Some of my contributors have bridged more. As you can see, there are people who were in my invite codes and they bridged ETH, and that gives us a team contribution of 1.17 ETH. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get your invite codes, all of the invite codes you have, and start posting them on Twitter. Okay, so you can go on Twitter, you can see all these people posting about the invite codes. You definitely need to be doing this. So what I'd do is I'd go into the posts and the comments of people that talk about the Manta airdrop, as you can see, and start commenting your invite codes, because if people do bridge ETH over, you get more team contribution, and that will give you more airdrop. As you can see, you get box pieces per week for every time you bridge ETH, and the more you bridge, you get more box pieces. Okay, so if I go on to bridge more, I can't withdraw it right now because that will be enabled later on. And you can see if you deposit more in, you can. As you can see, I can select more balance. I'm on Manta Pacific network and not Ethereum, so I need to go on Ethereum to look at my balance. You just have to bridge ETH in. When you do bridge it in, let's say you bridge 0.25 Ethereum like me, you will get 0.25 stone back right now, which you can start staking. And the way you can do that is right now, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can stake your stone on Layerbank. Okay, so all you do is you go on Layerbank, you go on to Manta V2, which is here. They have 3 different layer 2s, including linear and scroll, which all also have their own airdrops that you should be farming. If not, you need to just reach out to me on Twitter or something, and I'll tell you exactly how. Anyway, you click on Manta V2 and your network will change onto that. As you can see, I only have 0.22 US dollars in gas on that network, but it's okay. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on stone, because I got stone back for putting Ethereum in, and then I'm gonna, as you can see, my stone balance is 0.25, and I have all that stone supply. That's the total supplyable amount. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is click max, and then I'm gonna approve the stone. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm just gonna press approve over here and press next, and the fee is 16 cents compared to the 22 that I have. Oh, and it failed. Okay, I'm not sure why that failed, but that is the process. That is exactly what you do have to do. I think I need to transfer some more Ethereum over to get more gas. Okay, let's see that. Press next. Maybe that was why. And then I'm gonna press approve again, and it says it's failed again. So I'm not sure why that's failed. Let's give it one more try. And put the custom map on, custom spending cap. It should be, let's say 0.25, so they can spend that much stone. Press next and then press approve again. I should have that in gas because I do have it, but it's not working. Okay, but that is essentially what you do. I'm not sure why it's working. I think I need to transfer some more Ethereum for gas, but that is exactly what you do to transfer and start staking your stone as well. Okay, so it is a pretty simple process. Make sure you do have gas in Ethereum, unlike me, to make sure that transaction does go through. This is the Cash Creator signing off. Peace out.